Why do we have such a bright video screen? Another bike. I wonder what happened to the kid. He grew out of the bike and they want a new bike. It's a playground, a dumping ground. Hey, I'm Fish. The first shot was -7. Now it's -1.0 of the EV value. And I still see the same bright screen. I think I'll just up it back to -0.7. No, I'm not on low light. I'm on regular video mode because it's getting bright out there. Maybe the backlight's just too bright. Well, the extra muse is what I'm shooting on. Have you heard? The extra muse second generation could be out there coming to you before you know it. I did not give a date, did not give a leak. I'm just saying, did you know that an extra muse second generation could get out there? Well, what would it have? 128 gig of internal memory, because that's where all the cameras are going today. Rather having an SD card, they're giving you storage. And that storage does a great job. It allows you to add in your own SDXC card up to 1 terabyte or more, depending on how much you want. And again, I'm adjusting my gimbal over here. And you're gonna get a external light that's gonna draw power off of the internal battery when using, but will you get a larger internal storage battery? That's the question. And you're gonna get software interpolated enhancement of up to 6K resolution. And rather those ridges going up and down, they're gonna go diagonally. A little change in design that may feel uncomfortable to your grip. And you just got the Muse. Would you go get a second generation Muse? I don't think so. But if you're holding off for a new camera and you don't have a Muse, then maybe down the road, that's maybe what you want to get, is the updated version, or just stick with the extra Muse and be happy. Having just internal over external, it's only a $20 difference. Well, you know, this special face thing, Glamour, it could be called Glamour 2.0 today. And the gimbal action, it could be called 2.0 today. And the low light, it could be called Low Light 2.0 today. But does any of the camera have artificial intelligence? All right, Fish, enough of this talk. Let's get into some of the things that I haven't heard back. Extra Studio. Well, I'm using a Mac, and on the Mac, I'm able to get deep tracking and a couple of extra different things that are not offered on Windows. But, you know, if I use a Mac, I gotta use this little hub station because the two ports I got, they're so close together. I don't have a USB-A port. I just got a Thunderbolt USB-C port, and I need a little more than that on the Mac. In Studio, you have speed. I didn't see it when I put my time-lapse video in. I probably did, I just didn't notice. I'm wearing out that thumbstick, man, that 5D joystick. I gotta keep on centering it down and moving it over to keep me on the side. What gives? Every single time. As you can see, I don't have face tracking on. I wanna be there. And the camera centers me right here. I gotta hold it here. I'm pulling on in. I got the extra Atto with me. I got some stuff on it. I got some videos on it. I got a vlog on it. I just fell behind. And I started off when I got the Muse. I did side-by-side comparisons of both cameras. Even with the Atto, I did side-by-side comparisons. Not all of it, but when I'm at my highlight of the talk. I can't use this on my bike, and meaning that magnetic, there's nothing that will be magnetized. Any metals. It's aluminum. Aluminum is not metal. It's a lighter type of metal that doesn't magnetize. Cast iron, like the wrought iron fence back here. Chase the bird away. Chase the squirrel away. And if I do this right, I'm able to have the camera hold. Camera, vision dock, quick connect, and mini tripod. Now, I won't trust it. It's not strong enough, but strong enough to just about grab it and hold on to it. Over time, if you keep doing that, you may scratch your vision dock screen. They don't give you a little separate cage, only for the camera. Now, I haven't turned this on, and I know I got the vision dock down, and this should be at 100%, but it's going to be at 75 through 79%. And at the discard, I'm going to make a video to the help section and give it directly to Extra. Now, I know, and I didn't talk about, and I did show that the Extra Sphere can do 360 directly to the internet photo. So take a photo, share it to the internet, and it'll become a 360. You can look around. Facebook has the player for that. YouTube, you can't do that. If you take the video and you directly load it up, it'll be a portrait with a sphere, a circle. It won't be able to play. And it won't come up as landscape. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Oh no, I'm not using the application to run it. I'm not using the mic to run it. The mic is in the off position right now. And the Muse is in the pocket. I'm continuing on with the vlog with the Extra Atto. And no, I don't have the Extra Sphere with me to finalize it. I like using the camera, I like using the spheres, I like using the Atto. It's a lot lighter and a lot more robust, a lot more of an action camera. Does a great job. And this had the mic on, this is a natural sound, hand and a half. Sorry, fish, not a hand and a half. 2 hands. See the 2 hands? Arm's length, baby. Arm and a half. That's what I'm saying. Well, yeah, no bike ride today. I don't think a bike ride tomorrow. I think I got a bike ride on you. I think I'm up to bike ride episode 8. And 7 didn't get out there. Maybe bike ride episode 9. Because, see, the 7 was about the sphere, and I deleted it off. And the 8 was, I went somewhere with the 8. I just don't recall. Half morning vlog to the area, and it was supposed to be dead calm. It was windy as can be. Well, I did something I was very happy doing, and I still gotta finish it. Project Solar Air Conditioner. Oh yeah, man, I got the solar bifacial panel. Lights out, baby. And I went up, hung it up on the wall nice and high, and I'm saying to myself, why not just put it on the roof? Why not just maybe hang it off the roof all the way to the top edge, so this way you could get the most of the sun? I think I may have to do that, but we'll see how much sun I can get during the day. I don't need full sun. I just need to get 6 hours on there to fully charge a battery in an hour. So 2 batteries, maybe a little longer. I'm going to put as much as I can. And yeah, just got to put the vent in. I got the inverter, it worked, everything came on. And I saw the droppage pretty quick, but we'll see. We'll see what happens when I need to test it out for the evening hour running on battery. Having the solar panel up on the wall and needing to demonstrate and show is awesome. Well, Joe, let's go take care of beeswax today. Get things done. Have a nice, wonderful day. And on that note, I held you up straight. Why'd you do a vertical mode? I'm Fish. Mirror image immediately straightens out and corrects. I just love technology of the cameras. Have a great one. I just love it. Nobody out there points these things out but the fish.